Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns, which are some, any, much, many, and a lot of. Are you ready? Countable nouns. So what are the countable nouns? They are persons, animals, or things that we can count. Count ni maksudnya boleh dikira. They can be singular or plural. Singular maksudnya satu sahaja, or plural bermaksud lebih daripada dua. Uncountable nouns. Nouns yang tidak boleh dikira. They are substances, concepts, etc. that we cannot divide into separate elements. Separate elements maksudnya tak boleh dikira. Okay? We usually treat uncountable nouns as singular. Selalunya uncountable nouns dikira sebagai singular. Okay, these are the example of countable nouns. Nouns yang boleh dikira. An owl, a table, an apple, some apples, a cat, a boy, some girls. Okay. For uncountable nouns yang tidak boleh dikira, some water, some bread, some rice. Ini tidak boleh dikira ya. Countable nouns, we can use the article a or an with countable nouns in singular. We can use some for affirmative, which is statement, and any for questions and negative statement with countable nouns in plural. For uncountable nouns, we can use some for affirmative and any for negative or interrogative with uncountable nouns. Okay, we use there is with countable nouns in singular and uncountable nouns. We use they are for countable nouns in plural. Maksudnya there is kita gunakan untuk singular dan uncountable noun. Maksudnya there is kita gunakan untuk benda yang satu ataupun benda yang tidak boleh dikira. There are with countable nouns. Maksudnya kita guna untuk plural sahaja. Lebih daripada satu. Okay, there is, there are. Okay, these are the example. There is a cat under the table. See, the cat is under the table. So, when the cat is missing, we say there isn't any cat under the table. Isn't maksudnya tiada kucing di bawah meja. There is some water on the floor. There is some water on the floor. What happened if there is no water here? How you want to say? You should say there isn't any water on the floor. Isn't, tiada. Any. Tak ada apa-apa air di atas lantai. There are some books on the table. Ada beberapa buku di atas meja. There are some books on the table. When the books are missing, we say there aren't any books on the table. Aren't maksudnya tiada. Okay, for interrogative form, we change. Is there a cat or any water? And then the answer will be yes, there is. No, there isn't. Maksudnya jawapan yang betul, kalau ada, yes, there is. Kalau tiada, no, there isn't. There are some books. Kita tukar kepada are there any books? Okay, perkataan yang tadi, some, kita tukar kepada any. And then the answer will be yes, there are. ataupun no, they aren't. Okay. Okay. Is there any water on the floor? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. When there is no water here, you should say no, there isn't. Is there a cat on the table? Yes, there is, because there is a cat here. What happened when the cat is missing? You should say no, there isn't. Are there any books on the table? Yes, there are. What happened when the book's gone? You should say no, there aren't. Okay, now next I want to talk about much and many. Okay, much. It used with noun we cannot count. We cannot count, which is uncountable. For example, water, money, smoke. Okay? And many used with nouns we can count. It's countable, boleh dikira. For example, cars, sunglasses, and people. Now let's look at much, many, a lot of. For uncountable noun and affirmative, for affirmative, the example is I have a lot of money. I have lots of money. I have much money is incorrect. So you cannot use much for affirmative statement. For negative statement, you can use much and a lot of. For example, I don't have much money. I don't have a lot of money. And for questions, you can use much and a lot of. For example, do you have much money? Do you have a lot of money? Okay, let's look at plural countable. Okay, for affirmative, the example is I have a lot of friends. Friends is countable. Friends is countable maksudnya boleh dikira. I have lots of friends. I have many friends. Many boleh digunakan untuk countable. For negative statement, the example is I don't have many friends. I don't have a lot of friends. Okay, maksudnya yang boleh dikira, boleh guna many and a lot of. Okay, for questions, the example is do you have many friends? Do you have a lot of friends? Okay. Okay, let's try this question. Okay, so the statement is he stole some cheese. Some cheese maksudnya it's singular for uncountable. Cheese tidak boleh dikira. Okay, berapa berat dia tak boleh dikira. Okay, okay. Cheese did he steal? How much or how many? Okay, many, remember many hanya untuk plural countable, much untuk uncountable. So cheese is uncountable or countable? Okay, let's try.
Oh no!
Oh no, I was wrong. So the answer is how much? How much cheese did he steal? How much? Ingat tak cakap much sebab apa? Because some cheese is uncountable. Okay, let's try next question. He stole some tomatoes. Tomatoes. Okay, some tomatoes. Do you think some tomatoes can be count or not? Tomato boleh dikira ataupun tidak? Okay, let's see. So the question is tomatoes did he steal? Berapa banyak? How much or how many? Okay, I think the tomatoes can be count. So it's yes. How many tomatoes did he steal? Okay, so the next question is cakes did he steal? Okay, the statement here is he stole some cakes. So do you think cakes can be countable or uncountable? Okay, cakes usually can be countable. Awak boleh kira berapa banyak kek. So, macam mana nak lengkapkan soalan ni? How many or how much? Remember, many is for countable and much is for uncountable. Okay, let's try. How many?
Yeah!
Yes, the answer is correct. How many cakes did he steal? That's all for our lesson today. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.